Hello students, in this video I will tell you some more things about the integration. In the previous video I have told you the basic formula of the integration. By that you can do the exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3 because there is no change in these three exercises. Some questions I will tell you in the exercise 8.3, and I have taken this book ISC Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal. So exercise class 12, chapter integration, exercise 8.3, because 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, these three exercises are of same type only based on the basic formula. So for example, in this there is a question that you have to, and some questions I have told already, but question number 7, in this question it is given integrate e to the power 2x plus 3. So e to the power 2x plus 3 dx. First you will integrate by the same as e to the power x, that is the same integration, and then the coefficient of x, that is 2, it will come in the denominator plus c. This is the integration of this part. Similarly, if you have the integration of x upon x plus, question number 12, integration x upon x plus 1 whole square. In this case, you have to change this numerator same as the denominator. Means if it is x plus 1, take plus 1 here and minus 1. So it will change into the x plus 1. So you will get like this, n upon x plus 1 whole square dx. Then split in two parts, this upon this and 1 upon this. So you will get 1 upon x plus 1, so it will be and minus 1 upon x split in two parts dx. Then the integration of this part is log x plus 1. As you know, 1 upon x the integration, and there the coefficient of x is 1, so no need to write 1, minus the integration of this part you will write as x plus 1 to the power minus 2 dx, and then integrate log x plus 1 minus the integration is the same as minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. So it will be x plus 1 and minus 1 minus minus plus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. This is the integration. So very easy integration, basically based on the formula, basic formula of the chapter 8. Some more questions like if you have cos square x, the integration of cos square x. How to do the integrate? Because no formula of the cos square x, so you have to change in the formula that you can integrate. So it will be 1, you can write as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx, and then 1 by 2 take outside, the integration of 1 plus 1 by 2 integration of cos 2x dx. Then it will be 1 by 2 into x and plus 1 by 2 sin 2x divided by the coefficient of x, that is 2 plus c. So 2 to 4, x by 2 plus 1 by 4 sin 2x and plus c. This is the integration. Next question, because these are the same type of questions, if you have the question like this, 19 sine 4x and sin 8x dx. Then how to integrate? If you know the formula, that is the formula of trigonometry, 2 sin A sin B, then you can do easily, because there is no product rule yet now, because in these three exercises there is no, you cannot use the product rule, and there are some rules. If you will use the product rule, there are some rules. So sin to the power sin 4x sin 8x, you can write like this, multiply and divide by 2 and sin 4x. Can you write? There is no change in the question, only the form is changed. So multiply and divide by 2. This is the formula of 2 sin A sin B. So you can write as cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is the formula. 1 by 2 cos 4x minus cos 12x. Now you can integrate separately. So 1 by 2 into sin 4x divided by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos sin 12x divided by 12 plus c, and then multiply 4 to the 8, 1 by 8 sin 4x minus 1 by 24 sin 12x plus c. This is the answer. Now I'm going to tell you the different thing about the integration, that is called the substitution, or you can say the chain rule in this. But exactly there is no chain rule. I will tell you in steps. If you have the question like this is the exercise 8.4. If you have the question x square log sin x cube dx, and you have to integrate this one. There is no formula, that is you can integrate the x square separately and sin x cube separately. You have to change in the form of the integration, that you can do. This is sin x is there is the integration, but no integration of sin x cube. You have to let the x cube is equal to one variable, and then sin, suppose you let the x cube is equal to t, so it will be sin t. But if it is sin t, then every x should be changed into the t terms. If it is x cube is equal to t, then x square is equal to, and what is dx? Dx also you have to change in dt, and this x square also you have to change in t. तो कैसे change करेंगे? If you have let this one, just you differentiate to change dx into dt. So differentiate with respect to x, so you will get with respect to x. So 3x square is equal to dt by dx, and then dx is equal to dt upon 3x square. In this case, if you put the value of dx, that is dt by 3x square, then what you will have, x square into sin t dt upon 3x square. This x square and x square cancel, and then this 1 upon 3 you can write outside, and it will be the sin t dt. Now you can integrate easily, that is minus cos t to minus cos t, but you have to write answer in the terms of x. So in place of t you put the x cube, so it will be minus 1 by 3 cos x cube plus c. This is the answer. So this way is called the proper substitution. But if you have the two functions, then the one function if you let, then the differentiation of that function must cut the other function. मतलब इसका अगर differentiation लेते हैं तो उसका differentiation other function होगा और वो कट जाएगा, remove, तो cancel हो जाएगा. तो in that case you can integrate easily. Now the questions based on this type of exercise 8.4, like question number 1, x cube and 1 plus x to the power 4 whole power 3 dx. You can see the differentiation of x to the power 4 is x cube. Okay, 4x cube, so that will be considered. But if you take the differentiation of 1 plus x to the power 4, also you will get the same. It means you can let the 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to t. Then what you will get the differentiation after differentiation? 1 0, that is 4x cube is equal to dt by dx, and then dx is equal to dt upon 4x cube. Put in this, so x cube t cube because it is cube, and dt upon 4x cube. This x cube cancel, 1 by 4 take outside, t cube dt, and then it will be 1 by 4 t to the power 4 by 4 plus c, and then write the value of t in terms of x, 1 plus x to the power 4. So 1 by 16 in bracket 1 plus x to the power 4 whole power 4 plus c. This is the answer. Now the other question, for example, question number 5, integrate 3 plus log x whole upon x dx. This is under root 3 plus log x. If you let the log x is equal to t, that will come the after differentiation 1 upon x, तो ये x कट जा सकता है. But if you take the 3 plus log x is equal to t, then also you can get the you will get the differentiation as 1 upon x, then this x will be cancelled. अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में अंडर रूट में कोई फंक्शन है and you have to let the function which is inside the under root, better you let in square like this. तो जैसे इसको t ना करके t स्क्वायर लिख रहे, इन दैट केस यू विल फील इजी. क्यों? जब हम t लेंगे तो अंडर रूट में आएगा, अब हम t स्क्वायर ले रहे हैं तो दैट विल कम विदाउट अंडर रूट. तो इफ यू डिफरेंशिएट दिस वन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो इट विल बी 1 upon x 2t dt by dx. Then it will be dx is equal to 2t x into dt, and then put this value in this. So under root 3 plus log x and 3 plus log t square, so without under root will come t in by x into 2t x dt. This x cancel, 2 you can take common, t square dt, and then you can integrate easily. So t cube by 3. But when you put the value of t, then what you will put? 2 by 3. t in place of t under root 3 plus log x. तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये पावर 3 यहां भी लगा हुआ है, तो 3 plus log x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Other question, there is a trigonometry question, sin x into cos to the power 5x dx. Integrate this one. Just I told you that when you have the odd two functions and this is the odd power, there is no difference. If you can you say that the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and the differentiation of sin x is cos x. But there is a difference. What is the difference? If you let cos x is equal to t, then the differentiation will be sin x minus sin x and it will be cancelled. But if you let sin x is equal to t, then only one cos x will be cancelled. So cos x the power 4 will be remained here. So just that is why you will let cos x is equal to t. So differentiation, after differentiation you will get minus sin x is equal to dt by dx, and then dx is equal to dt upon minus sin x. Put here, so sin x into t to the power 5 dt upon minus sin x, then 1 sin x cancel, minus sin common, t to the power 5 minus t to the power 6 divided by 6 plus c. Then put the value of t, this is equal to minus cos to the power 6 x upon 6 plus c. This is the answer of the integration sin x into cos to the power 5. Next question, if you have the 11th 1 plus sin x upon under root x minus cos x dx. How will you let? There are the functions, the sine function, algebraic function, trigonometry, means there are the functions. If you let this one, you cannot cancel this one. But if you let this one is equal to, as I told you, if anything is in the under root, then better you let as t square. So x minus cos x is equal to t square. So the differentiation will be 1 plus sin x is equal to 2t dt by dx. When you let anything, then you see the what is the differentiation. That is why I told in the earlier, the previous video, that the differentiation is very important as well as the trigonometry. तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, dx is equal to 2t dt divided by 1 plus sin x, and then put the value here. So 1 plus sin x upon t square, because inside the t, so it will be t only, 2t dt upon 1 plus sin x. Then this will be cancelled, this t also cancelled. Now 2 is outside, 1 dt, so it will come 2t, and in place of t what you will put here, under root x minus cos x plus c. This is the answer. So very simple questions, only you have to see which you have to let, which function you have to let, or which part of the function you have to let. One more, 14 tan to the power 4x dx. What you will do in this? That is, but there is no integration of tan square x as well as no integration of tan x, tan cube x, इन सब का अभी इंटीग्रेशन नहीं है, इसलिए अभी नहीं बताया. इसको you have to, you can write like this, tan square x into tan square x, and then you can change the 1 tan square x in sec square x minus 1. Can you? 1 tan. Then multiply this tan square x into sec square x and minus tan square x. Can you? If you let tan x is equal to, then the differentiation of tan x is sec square x, this will be cancelled. But this tan square x again you can write as sec square x minus 1 dx. Then इसका differentiation भी हो जाएगा, integration, and the integration of 1 is also possible. तो इसको अलग integrate करें, minus sec square x separately integration plus 1 dx alone. Let tan x is equal to t. Here let tan x is equal to t. So differentiate sec square x is equal to dt by dx. Then dx is equal to dt upon sec square x. This value you put for this in this dx, okay, first term. Then what you will get? T square into sec square x into dt upon sec square x minus what is the integration of this? That is tan x and plus x. Then it will be sec square cancel, t square dt minus tan x and plus x. The t cube by 3 minus tan x plus x, and then in place of t, tan by 3 minus tan x plus x plus c. This is the integration. So you can do by this way the integration of this exercise 8.4. There are some more questions, but these are the very easy question. Only you see what you have to let, and then you can do. This exercise 8.4 and 8.5, both exercises based on this pattern, that is the using the substitution, what you have to let, and 8.4 and 8.5 you can do, and thereafter, but some questions I will tell again in the next video. Thank you. Keep on watching.